the Ford V8 fan hub. There's a lot more to these than meets the eye. It's quite clever. They have this scroll here, because it's an oil-filled hub. Here's the centre, but it's full of oil in this area here, and then the scroll, as the fan is turning, this hub is turning, and as those windows open and close, it forces oil up the scroll and onto the shaft and down here, and then it will come to this area and drip out again. And then inside here, you fill the hub up with oil through the screw, and you'd fill it with oil this way, and then you turn it upside down with the screw out and let it drain out to this level. And then the oil from the shaft is collected in this tapered tube. As it drips out the end, runs back down, and the centrifugal force holds it in there. And you're supposed to use quite thick oil. And it's got a gasket and stuff on there. I'm having a bit of trouble with the one in my car. If I put any oil in it, it all ends up on the windscreen. So I've done a mixture of semi-fluid grease and oil, but I'm going to try and find a new hub. There used to be a rebuild kit for them, but they're not available anymore.